Welcome. Today we'll walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to prevent WhatsApp from accessing your camera. Whether you're looking to enhance your privacy or simply restrict permissions, these steps will help you take control of your device settings. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to manage app permissions effectively. Once inside, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. This section allows you to view and manage all the applications installed on your phone. Next, locate WhatsApp in the list of apps. You can either scroll manually or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found WhatsApp, tap on it to open its settings. Now, select Permissions. This menu shows all the permissions WhatsApp currently has access to, such as your camera, microphone, and more. From here, tap on Camera. A new screen will appear with options for managing camera access. Simply choose Don't Allow. By selecting this option, you're denying WhatsApp access to your camera, ensuring that it cannot use this feature while you're using the app. And that's it. You've successfully restricted WhatsApp from accessing your camera. By following these simple steps, you've added an extra layer of privacy and security to your device. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, stay connected for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital experience.